Hey everybody, this is the most freaking weirdest rigged up thing I've ever done. I'm painting the head without taking the head off. With rags.
And cardboard.
And cardboard. Yep, and cardboard.
Bags.
And plastic bags. This is the dumbest thing ever, but it's gonna look nice, I think, maybe. I hope.
That's some pretty high hoping right there.
That's some pretty high hoping. You know, for some reason, randomly, all of a sudden, when you were pulling it up, the rod knock disappeared for a moment and came back. It was really weird. I also painted this and some bolts. That actually looks quite done. That actually is done.
Oh.
But yes, this is the most dumb thing you've ever done. And it's gonna look stupidly fun. It's gonna be stupidly fun, but stupid at the same time.
That's the best part.
Yes.
That looks so.
Now we just have to
so
wait.
bad. So wrong.
This looks so wrong and so bad, but I really don't care. It's a beater. Kinda what it's supposed to look like. Ooh. Sorry about the bad camera quality. I'm using my phone. Yes, we are cleaning and yep, didn't get anything in there. That's gonna look super stupid. Oh yeah, we can also take all this out now. Yep, we're using cardboard, plastic bags, and rags. That makes sense. Put that all over. Spray the front bumper. That'll work. I'd probably be very careful with that. We should just go for the rags this time. Instead of...
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know about that. Let's just keep using the rags.
Shiny.
Shiny. Ta-da!
Actually,
That actually doesn't look too bad.
we can use parts from the plastic bag and we could just shove it down there and then fold it over the top or something.
Mm-hmm.
Or if you got scissors, I can cut out little holes.
True.
And I could just put it right over.
I have knives.
Okay, nice work.
But we're gonna have to disconnect all of these and get clear of this so we don't ruin anything over there
Or
with the injectors. More redneck stuff.
yeah. Honestly, that works.
That does. That very much does.
I just have to do that. Oh my god, that works.
Yep.
Let's do that.
Scooping it up and butter. All right. Remember to keep them in order.
Yeah, that thing should keep it in order.
Yeah, that works. That's fine.
Actually, yeah, I could just take that off.
You sure?
If I can get that fully disconnected. You know that's cracked, yeah?
Yeah, that's good to know. That's probably where that oil leak's coming from. Not oil leak, but... Yeah, don't break it all the way.
Ow, fuck.
I'll wipe it off real quick. I don't know about this one. I don't
know what the fuck.
I don't even know.
About that one.
And we'll cover that one. That one's fine.
Yeah, we can cover it.
No, that actually didn't come out too bad. Well, if you were here, it still is really bad, but I miss a spot right there.
I just have to hold this or something. Because that's...
I'm going to spray the hell out of your hands, but whatever. Good luck.
Unless we can take
And now we wait. my fingerprint
Look.
in there. We didn't even remove the sticker. We just painted over it.
Painted right over it. I mean, it worked.
We did it. Just went, fuck it, let's go. Actually, I wonder how that cover's gonna look now. Check if the bolts are dried. The bolts. My hands are covered in dirt and not propane. I'm about to call freaking spray paint propane. I'm covered in propane. That makes sense. Fucking bag, come back here. There.
I think those are done.
Awesome. Wanna go put that back on? Here, you record.
Alright, we're gonna put that cover back on with those bolts after we just painted them.
Yes.
And it goes right
That sounds
down
like a great idea.
here. Over intake manifold.
Okay. Fuck you.
It's gonna be a bitch to get those on.
Yeah, well.
But it's gonna look good.
Yeah, we initially thought, let's just clean the car. You know what? We got spray paint. We're good. We got a single can. We got this. Okay. Hand tight. Stays. We don't care if there's a smear or something. I'll probably repaint it. At some point in time if I pull the motor. It's not even running right. We're just like fucking painting it because. Oh, 2JC swap's gonna be so nice with this.
Oh yeah.
It'll be so ridiculous. We're gonna have to do a lot of things to suspension, drive line, and wheels and tires. And it's gonna be expensive, but it's worth it. Oh, my hands are shaking. Okay. We have 2 more bolts here. Where does this one go? Right down there. With my hand.
Wow.
Somebody just text me. How the hell did he get this one? You know, that's good. There we go, you son of a bitch. Okay, now where's the time out? After I grabbed that one bolt that dropped. Ouch.
Yeah, he dropped a bolt.
Yay.
Basically,
Where did it
we
go?
just painted the cover and half the head so far. I'm gonna paint the other half after we get this on momentarily, after he finds the bolt.
Where the hell did it go? I'm dropping everything. Yeah, okay, where the fuck did you go? Up your ass. I think so. Hey, this is the children-friendly channel.
What, Ricky?
That was terrible. And the absolute mother of God.
I don't know.
We'll be fine with that one bolt. We'll be fine.
As you can see, this is the wild choice in its natural habitat. Tightening down bolts of the car.
Good accent. It's actually gonna look pretty good.
Very godly indeed.
Very godly. I can't do that accent. You son of a bitch.
I can do a British high-pitched voice.
It's so creepy.
Go
Julian! I can't do that.
I love you, King Julian.
It's fucking awesome.
King Julian. Come here, King Julian.
No, I can't do that. How stupid do I look on camera?
Well, not that stupid. All I could see is your hands, and I could see your face.
Nice. Where's the breaker bar? Oh, I'm gonna break something. Then I'm gonna laugh my ass off.
Right on the crack.
Oh god,
too.
I stripped it.
Oh no.
No, you're fine. It's fine. Oh, what the fuck?
That's not on. No. Did you just? Oh shit!
Whatever, it's all rusted and old anyways.
I was like, wait, how is that? Okay.
I shouldn't have touched it.
I can't believe that just happened.
Whatever, we'll put a tab into
Just
it.
don't torque that one too hard now. We lost one, we broke one, we have 3 left.
It'll be fine with 3.
Should be. It's only a cover.
It won't hurt anything. There.